Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Jackson Ng. I've been a trainer for around 20 years. Before I actually became a professional trainer, I actually run my own business. So from young, as young as a little boy, I was already curious about how people sell things and how do people use the magic in terms of selling. Some people are very good at selling and some people are struggling to even move one product. Now, of course, if you ask me, is there a secret in selling any products and services? The answer is yes. Do you know some of them? Of course, the answer is yes. But due to the COVID-19, the impact to all the businesses, you can see that things are changing. Things are changing rapidly. There are a lot of new products coming out as due to COVID-19, and there are also a lot of products that is no longer being able to move in the market. Why? Due to the COVID-19. So COVID-19 have changed the way we live, changed the way we buy, changed the way we make decisions, and also changed the way we look for products. So ladies and gentlemen, due to COVID-19, the way businesses must function must also follow the change. So today I'll be sharing with you how you can become very good, very relevant in terms of selling your products or services. So regardless that you are in the retail industry, you have a lot of products to move, or you could be in a service industry and you have a lot of services that you want to offer, or you could be an educator, a trainer, and you have education to offer. So it will all change after COVID-19. And today, allow me to share with you a lot of principles which, in my opinion, will help you, because a lot of things that I share with you have helped me in my own business. And these are all principles which I feel it can be applied in many industries. Yeah. So the first thing I want to share with you is that as a good salesperson, as a $1 million sales producer, your mindset have to change, because everything is all about the mindset. If you have a mindset that, oh, I can't do this anymore, I can't sell this product anymore, customers don't want to buy anymore, it's very tough to do business after COVID-19, then you don't have a winning mindset. So first thing first is that you need to overhaul, or I would say transform your mindset. Do not sell in the local market only. You must also explore to look into new market, think bigger, think big, and you have to think world class. So what is thinking world class? You are thinking, what if you have a customer from another country who is willing to pay you money and buy from you? So when you set world class as the benchmark, as the standard, you will look into quality. You will look into new way of packaging. For instance, if you are a car maker and you are suffering in the local automotive industry, you are having a hard time to move your vehicle, you may want to look into other countries as well, because maybe this country is suffering but the other country may not be suffering. But what if many countries are suffering? You may want to look into how you offer your products and services. You may want to look into longer period of warranty. You may want to look into higher quality at a very good price. So ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot of things that you can do if you are thinking of world class. Like for me, for example, I've been doing training in the local market in Malaysia for around 20 years, and I feel now is the right time. Never been better than now. Never been better than now is the time to go international. Therefore, I'm producing a lot of videos like this one. We normally do training in a classroom where I teach some 20 people, 50 people, 100 people on selling skill. But today I'm doing it the first time, recorded the first time, and I am going to sell this video the first time. So why? Because COVID-19 has enabled everyone to look into other means, other methods, other channels to distribute our goods and services. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to still survive or thrive in your business or helping your company to sustain, you have to go together with the management team and to reset the whole standards of your company and your products and services. So going to think like a world-class person will definitely help you because you are no longer playing in the local market. So being able to think world class means that you are questioning whether your current products can you also sell in new market. Can you go export? Can you export to another country? Will someone from Singapore buy from you? Will someone from Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam buy from you? If yes, then you are thinking world class. But supposedly you cannot be thinking world class, then you must also look into up the standards of your products. For example, if you are in the development industry, you are a developer and you have a lot of condos, a lot of units that can't be sold in the local market. You may want to do promotion in other countries so that the foreigners can buy in the local market. They can buy some units that you can't sell in the local market. So thinking big, thinking world class definitely is criteria number one in order to become a $1 million producer. Sometimes I may use the term masterpiece sales producer, because masterpiece sales producer means that you are really good in selling either products or services. Thank you for watching this video, and please follow me in the second video, principle number 2, which I'll be sharing with you shortly.